Hello, welcome back to our channel, and today I will tell you how to turn off private likes on X. So actually, with the new update on X, your likes tab is private, and that means that only you can see your post that you have previously ever liked. So if I tap my profile picture in the top left and access my profile, I can see that my profile is divided into several sections, and I want to go to likes tab, and basically only I can see that on my profile. And previously it was possible to make your likes visible to other users on X, but now X removed that option, and there's no setting to turn this privacy off. So to demonstrate it to you, let me go to my other X account, and if I even try to scroll here, I will not manage to do that because simply this likes tab is not there. So yeah, that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.